Facebook, you can't send friend request right now. Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you step by step on how to fix a problem which says you can't send friend request right now on your Facebook account. So if you are getting this problem on your Facebook account, this video is for you. So to fix this problem, there's 3 steps that you need to follow. So the first one, after you open up now your, as you can see now, after you open up your mobile phone, before you open up your Facebook app, go to your Play Store and search for Facebook. After you search for Facebook, go and update your Facebook app. After you update your Facebook app, before now you open the Facebook, now go and restart your mobile phone. After you restart your mobile phone, now go back and open up the Facebook app like this now. After you open the Facebook app now, by updating your mobile phone, from there your your Facebook account will start working properly. But if you try this first step and still you are getting the error message, now I'll show you step by step the second method to fix this problem. So the second method to fix this problem, all you have to do now, the second method to fix this problem is now by going to your Facebook app like this now. After you come to your Facebook app like this now go and tap on this menu. Now scroll all the way to down, scroll to down and tap on this logout. So now go ahead and log out on your Facebook account. After you log out, then you can log in again. So from there, your problem may be solved. But if you try these two methods and still you are getting the error which says you cannot follow or you cannot accept friend request or you cannot send friend request on your Facebook account. So now there is last method that you need to follow. So all you have to do now, the reason why Facebook gives you this error is because you are doing too many action in a short time on your Facebook account. Means that you are like following many people, you are commenting on many posts on Facebook, you are liking many posts on Facebook, and your account is like small account on Facebook. So all you have to do now, stop liking, stop commenting, and stop sharing posts on Facebook for like 2 to 3 days. Wait 2 to 3 days, like 2 days or 3 days. If you stop liking, commenting, and like sending friend requests or accepting friend requests on Facebook, at least 3 days or 2 days, from there Facebook will allow you to continue using your account. And the reason why Facebook gives you this error, because most of the time small account that are just like that are commenting much on Facebook, are liking much on Facebook, are the account that was created by robot. So Facebook doesn't allow robot account to exist on Facebook. That's why it just keeps giving all this error message to everyone that is just performing too many actions on his Facebook account in a short period of time. All you have to do now, just stop following, stop liking, stop commenting, stop accepting friend request, and stop sending friend requests for 3 days at least. From there your problem will be solved. But if you try all these 3 methods but still you're getting the like error message on your Facebook account, so all you have to do now, just open up the Facebook app, go to this menu at the top, scroll to down and tap on this help and support, this one. So scroll to down and tap on this report a problem. So tap on this report a problem again. So you can tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this include button. So from this option now, go ahead and select your problem. So as you can see now, my own, let's say, is friend request. So you can tap on this friend request button. So from there, make sure if you get the message, you take a screenshot of the message. Like if you open up your Facebook account and you get the message which says you can't use this picture right now, so you can just take a screenshot of the problem and tap on this upload button. In this option, you can upload the message. Let's say the message is this one. Let's say this one, this is message. So you can upload the message and you can describe like, I don't have access to send or to accept or send friend request, request on my account, So type a message like this now. So you can tap on this send button. From there Facebook will review your message and they will solve your problem. That's it guys on how to fix this problem. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.